Hi, welcome to How to Repair. This video repair guide is on a Beko oven. Now if your oven is not heating or tripping the electricity supply, this video will help you. We're working on a single oven built in. This video can also be used for double ovens and freestanding ovens. Now we've had the oven on test for the last 10 minutes and there was no heat in the oven. So it's a good indication that the element is actually gone. This is the new element we're going to change. You can get this at our shop. The link's above in a minute. But the first thing we need to do is actually remove the door. Now these Bekos have some very nice hinge systems which just clip over. Little latch that you can see me pressing here. This locks the hinge and therefore allows me to remove the door. Our next job is to actually remove all the interior from the oven, the shelves and pans and whatever. And we've got to remove the back plate, which is the fan guard. This is normally held on with 4 screws. Different models do vary, but most of the Beko range only have 4. Now behind this will expose the fan blade and also the fan oven element. Now this model has 1 screw that you need to undo from the inside, and it also has 2 screws from the rear of the machine, which we'll get to in a minute. Now while I'm doing this, I've put some links above. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, as that's what keeps us going and able to make these free videos for you. And it also helps if you actually buy the parts off us. And you'll also find some links above to Facebook and also the tutorial section on the website. Now this back panel actually clips in place on one side. I'll show you in a minute. There are 2 wires on this fan oven element. Well, one's a double. And just clear the insulation and you'll find the 2 screws hidden behind. So we'll just undo these and then we go back to the inside of the oven and the element comes away. Now this element has no clear sign that it's blown, so we're going to have to actually test it with the meter. I do apologise for the angle on the camera here, I haven't quite got the element into clear shot, but basically set your meter up onto continuity and you should have a reading, if it's good, across the 2. But on this one we have nothing, so I'll just show you a comparison with the new one. Again, across the 2 terminals, and you've got a reading. So in other words, there is actual circuit. On the old element there is no circuit. So just replace the element. It's always a good idea to put the 1 screw at the bottom in first before going to the back if you're working on your own, because at least it will hold it in place so you can get the other 2 screws in. Just line it up. If you hold the actual element, it'll make it a little bit easier. Then replace the wiring. Now remember, when you go to the website actually looking for your element, just go to our search and put your full model number. This can be found inside the door, and then just follow it by the word element and you'll easily find the element. If not, just contact us and we'll do the research for you. Now here you can see the clip, one at the top, one at the bottom. Just got to hook it in and bring the panel over and replace the screws. At the website, by the way, you'll also find videos on washing machines, tumble dryers, etc. And not only will you find the repair guides, you will also find the diagnostic videos which will help you find the fault in the first place. And also, if you do get stuck, you can always send us an email and we'll do our best to help. All we need to do then is replace the fan guard and then replace the door. Once we've done this, we'll put the oven on test, but do remember, when you actually connect the appliance back up to the electricity supply, if you have a timer, you will need to turn the timer to the manual. A lot of people actually contact us and say the oven's still not heating, and this is usually because they haven't set the clock and put the timer to manual. You'll need to consult your manual for this, but it's quite an easy job. Now when fitting the door, make sure you slide the door down onto the hinges, but don't let the door go. Keep hold of it while you actually put the two latches over, and then do open it a couple of times just to make sure that they've locked into place. Now we'll turn the oven on, give it about 5 minutes. As you can see, the thermostat light is on as before, but now you've actually got heat in the oven. And here you go, you can actually see the element glowing red in the corner here. And there you go. Thanks very much for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, as that's what keeps us going and able to make these free videos for you. Thanks for watching.